Example 1. He realized his facts were wrong, so he had to back down and apologize. Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb back down. Have you ever been in a heated argument, maybe with a stubborn friend? To back down means to withdraw your claim or position in an argument. It usually happens when you realize you are wrong, or maybe you just lose the confidence to keep fighting. It is basically admitting defeat or choosing to stop the conflict. It is all about whether you hold your ground or let the other person win. Now, listen closely. Passive learning is boring. I want you to be active today. Commenting below is a powerful way for you to show engagement with our community, but more importantly, it helps you put your knowledge into practice immediately. So, pay attention to these examples because I want you to write your own in a minute. Here are 3 practical examples. Example 1. He realized his facts were wrong, so he had to back down and apologize. Example 2. She's a strong leader. She never backs down from a difficult challenge. Example 3. The bully finally backed down when he saw that I wasn't afraid. Now it is your turn. Go to the comments and post an example you have created. When was the last time you had to back down? If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.